Hello students, today we will discuss the derivative. Here in this question we are given x and y, two parametric equations where t is the parameter, and we have to find the second order derivative while using these two equations. Normally what people do is they find dx over dt, dy over dt, and then apply chain rule for finding dy by dx, like this: dy by dt dividing by dx over dt. And this is the first order derivative. After finding this derivative, and after finding the first derivative, people find the second derivative, d2y by dx square, using the same procedure. Well, d by dx of dy by dx. And it can be changed while using the chain rule: d by dt into dy by dx and into dt over dx. This value can be found from this derivative right here. We take this value and put right here, and this answer is differentiated with respect to derivative t. And now you can see that this method is very lengthy, it will take much time, so it is not much favorable. Today we will discuss very short method for finding the second order derivative. Let's have the look on this formula. Here is the formula on your screen. Second derivative for such kind of parametric equation where t is the parameter can be found with this formula. First derivative, these dashes are representing the derivative. One dash means first derivative, double dash means second derivative. First derivative of the variable x, or you can say the function x, with respect to t, multiplied by second derivative of y with respect to t, minus second derivative of x with respect to t multiplied by first derivative of y with respect to t, divided by first derivative of x raised to power 3, where dash is representing the first order derivative with respect to the t. So we have to find four values: x dash, x double dash, y double dash, and put these values right in this formula. After some simplification, we will get our answer in a very few minutes, whereas the other traditional methods take much of the time. Let's apply this formula. First of all, x dash, it will be 3t square plus 1, and x double dash will be 60. Now y dash will be 6t plus 2, and y double dash will be 6. Now putting all these values in this formula, we will get d2y by dx square equals to 3t square plus 1 into 6 minus 6t into 6t plus 2 divided by. Now we will put these values in our formula. We will get this expression d2y by dx square right here. Now we will simplify this expression and we will get our required answer d2y by dx square. Let's have a look. It will be 18t square plus 6 minus 36t square plus 12t and divided by 3t square plus 1 raised to power 3. Now it will be 18t square minus 36t square, it will be minus 18t square minus 12t plus 6 divided by 3t square plus 1 raised to power 3. And if we take minus 6 common, it will give you 3t square minus 2t, it will be plus, and it will be minus 1 divided by 3t square plus 1 raised to power 3, and it is the required answer. Let's have a look. It was a question, x and y you are given, and you have to find the second order derivative d2y by dx square. You use this formula. Find the first derivative of x, second derivative of x, first derivative of y, second derivative of y, and put these values in the formula given above. And after simplification, you directly get your required answer, which is d2y over dx square. Very quickly, while spending very low amount of time,